Okay, this is a video tutorial that covers the uploading and auto display of various files and documents to the RAFFirm website. Typically these will be PDFs or Word docs, and the sort of files that you see listed on the correspondence page which are in front of you. This plugin we use is it's called Pretty File List. It'll list files in date order. Also allows us to search files if required. And we're also using it, say, in the bottom of the site footer. We've got the latest school letter, latest newsletter, latest bulletin, and you can see we'll have, say, year 3 letters in the correspondence area here. And if you look at the year 3 page itself, we're bringing the same file through to the year page. So one of the advantages of using this plugin is you upload the file once, give it a tag, and it will appear in multiple locations that have already been predefined. So you can see here are letters that have been assigned to year 3 and all of school. Okay, so how do we go about this? Well, as I said, the pages have already been set up. So if you actually look at, say, the year 3 page or a correspondence page, there aren't links to actual documents, but you'll see what's known as shortcodes. It started with Pretty File List, and it says what type of file type to look for, and then it will have the tag. So you see here, all of school letters is anything that's tagged all of school. Year 1 letters is anything that's tagged year 1. Okay, so all that bit has been set up for you, although I'll show you later how to add new ones if you want. All of these categories here are known as media categories, and if we go over to the media menu and then down to media categories, there's a list which is a quick reminder of which media category tags to use when you upload your file. So here's the media categories listing, and you'll see they're fairly straightforward. They're all lowercase, no spaces. So we've got all of school, governors, letter. If it's a lunch menu, it's lunch menu. Still with a nursery, it's nursery, and so forth. And if it's year groups, they're just year and then the number. Okay, so how do we actually do this? Well, when you're uploading a file, such as, here we go, media library, add new. And if we find a suitable file, and we go to upload a file, such as your newsletter, or after it's successfully uploaded it, we just go, you can either click the edit button there, or you can go to your library and then edit the file by clicking on it here. And this is where you actually enter your media category. So if it was a newsletter, we type newsletter, and then hit add and update, and then you check on the front end of the site in the relevant place that has actually been added. Just for demo purposes, I'm going to put year 5 in here and hit add and then update. And then once that has finished updating, I'll quickly switch to the front end of the site, go to the year 5 page, and we should see it in this position up here. And there's our document uploaded. And that's because there's a bit of code on this page that is looking for any PDF that's uploaded with, or Word doc that's uploaded with a Year 5 tag on it. If I want that to be removed, I simply go back to my Edit Media screen and take that off, and then update it. And then when we go to the front end of that site again and refresh it with Command R on a Mac or Control F5 on a PC, when the page finishes refreshing, you'll see it's disappeared. There we go. And then it's down to you whether you actually want to delete this file completely from the server or not. You can also have more than one category, so if it applied to a certain key stage, you could put like Year 4, just comma separate them, Year 5, and that would appear on both year pages. As I mentioned, we've got all of school. I mean, all of school, so it applies to all of school, and it saves you writing out all the year names, and it's it would appear in the year group pages as well. So that's how we go about updating these documents on various places around the site, and the most common ones are the newsletter, the bulletin, and the all the school letters.